How to open up zip files on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll simply show you how you can open and extract those zip files on your Android phone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now keep in mind that you might have downloaded a zip file or a RAR file, which means they are some of the compressed files and you might have transferred it from somewhere else. You want to open it up, but keep in mind we don't open zip files, we extract zip files. So we extract them and then we open it. We cannot just open it. Of course it is possible to do it from WinRAR and just open it and view the files inside of it, but to make it usable you have to just extract the whole folder or the file in and of itself. Now nowadays most of the cases, now their default file manager application also supports extracting zip files, but I really wouldn't recommend them to you. But what I only recommend you do is, you open up your Play Store, you download an application called ZArchiver, which is an amazing and a wonderful application in order to extract and compress zip or RAR files. You want to simply download this application for Android. It is one of the most popular ones that also has over 100 million downloads. And of course this is not sponsored, by the way, so you just get that thing out of your mind and then just go ahead and then open up the ZArchiver, allow it all of the permissions, grant it whatever permission it requires. Now it's just like a file manager but with a different UI, but this time you want to navigate to the folder where you have placed that zip file. So in my case it is under the download section, and here you can find the file that says wallpaper.zip. Now others are just normal files that you have, but this is actually a zip file, and if I open it up it will not open up, so I have to extract it. So in order to extract it, just tap on this file once and here from extract, here extract to or extract. Personally I like selecting extract to, and I'll tell you what happens if you select extract here. So I'll just select the extract to option over here. What extracting to does is that it is going to create a separate folder with that same name, and inside that folder it's going to place all of the files that was inside the zip file. But if you selected extract here over here, let me show you what that does. It is going to place all of the files right outside of it, and you can see how disorganized this looks. So I just personally like sending it to a separate folder which is extract to, and it'll extract all of those files inside of it. Now these are just some of the photos. Yours could be different, and in your case depending upon whatever your zip file is about, such as a general application it could be or anything as such, it really depends, and you can just go ahead and view those files respectively. And that's all it takes to open up zip files, and of course as I said, not open but extract those zip files on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.